Here I've got iPad from 2021, and let me show you how to change email signature on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select Mail, and scroll down. And at the bottom of the list you will notice signature, so if you'd like to change a default one to your own, just remove it, and then enter the one that you would like to apply. And then, for example, and now we can bold something, then underline the rest, just customize it as only you want to, then obviously you can delete it and add another one. So this is it, that will be all. Then just go back, obviously you don't need to even save it, just change it and it works. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.